Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see a very popular Goan chicken recipe, which is Cafreal chicken. Chicken Cafreal is a spicy, tangy, flavorful chicken dish prepared with chicken marinated in homemade Cafreal masala that is either pan fried or grilled and served with potato wedges or salad. So friends, let's get started with this interesting and delicious chicken recipe. So for my chicken Cafreal, I have taken here 4 chicken drumsticks, and now I am going to make slits in them so that when we marinate, they can absorb all the flavors of the marination. And friends, this popular Goan dish having African origin was modified by the Portuguese and introduced to the Goan cuisine by them. Alright, and in the same way, I'll make slits in the remaining leg pieces also. So slits has been done, and now time for marination. Here goes 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. We'll be doing now a basic marination. Then goes some salt as per taste. Half teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder. Next goes the juice of half a lemon. We'll mix all the ingredients well over the chicken leg pieces. And we'll let them rest for half an hour. And now we'll prepare the Cafreal masala. For that you will need a bunch of coriander leaves, which I will roughly chop them. We'll include the soft stems as well, as these have lot of flavors in them. Now let's transfer them to a chutney jar. Next goes 8 to 10 garlic pods, 1.5 inch of ginger cut into small portions. Now since Cafreal chicken is a bit spicy, I will add 3 to 4 green chilies, but you can add chilies as per your spice level. Next goes a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 1 inch of cinnamon stick or dalchini, 4 to 5 cloves or long, few peppercorns or kali mirch, a small portion of seedless tamarind or imli. Then here I have taken 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds soaked in warm water. We'll add some water and grind this into a smooth paste. Let's check this now. And our spicy and flavorful homemade Cafreal masala is ready. We will now add half of the Cafreal masala into the chicken, which has been resting for half an hour, and save the remaining masala for later use. We'll mix the masala well over the chicken pieces. And we'll let them rest for at least 3 to 4 hours. Next we'll heat a pan, and into it we will add 2 small cubes of butter. If you want, you can add vegetable oil also instead of butter, but butter will definitely enhance the flavor. We'll spread the butter on all the sides of the pan, and now into this we will place the marinated chicken leg pieces one by one. We'll keep the flame on medium. After about 2 to 3 minutes, we will flip the chicken leg pieces one by one, and we'll fry for another 3 to 4 minutes till they are well fried from all the sides. I'll add now some more butter so that the Cafreal masala doesn't stick to the pan. This will ensure the chicken is well fried from all the sides. And as you can see by now, the chicken drumsticks are well fried and coated well with the Cafreal masala. At this stage, we'll add the remaining Cafreal masala. We'll coat the chicken one more time with the Cafreal masala. And now we will cover and cook the chicken for 8 to 10 minutes on low flame till they are soft and tender. After about 10 minutes, we will remove the lid. The chicken is well cooked, And now we will let the chicken simmer in the Cafreal masala gravy until the gravy thickens and coats well with the chicken leg pieces. So as you can see, the Cafreal masala is coated well with the chicken, and now time to serve them hot. And friends, here goes our Goan style Cafreal chicken on the serving plate, which you can enjoy along with potato wedges or salad. I'll now garnish my Cafreal chicken with some chopped coriander or cilantro leaves, some sliced red chillies, few onion rings and lemon wedges to complete the dish. So friends, do try this interesting and delicious Cafreal chicken recipe. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.